So in this video, we're going to discover why I got an awesome deal on this MX9900. This is a 2016 model, and this is the last year they did the John Deere green paint match. Short story is, it had some damage that the seller didn't disclose. Isn't that how it always goes with used equipment on Facebook Marketplace? As it turns out, the jack shaft on the Woodmaxx MX9900 was actually damaged. Detent area had a bunch of metal that was raised on it, and I didn't know this at the time because there's so much crud in there. Balls could not fully disengage. You couldn't pull the PTO shaft off. I decided to go ahead and take it apart. Then I found that the taper collar that goes around the jack shaft was seized to it. Like there was so much corrosion on it that I just couldn't get it off. And the parts were so affordable at Woodmaxx. I just went and ordered a new jack shaft and a new collar rather than messing with the old ones. And I just want to share the experience with you guys. Success. Oh. So we're going to go ahead and reassemble this with the new jack shaft. Probably put some anti-seize on that here once I remember how to put this together. This stuff here actually bolts into this. So I'm going to go ahead and put some anti-seize here as well because it doesn't spin on this, it's bolted to it. If I can just find a picture of it, that will tell me a lot. Wow, need another pair of gloves already here. Success! So according to Woodmaxx, this is 31 inches from the coupler ball section here to the other side, 31 inches. The tractor from the PTO shaft where the ball coupler part is to the input shaft, the same location, is almost exactly 27 inches, which means I am 4 inches off. Now on Woodmaxx's YouTube video, they show that you have to add 2 extra inches so that you can easily move the shaft on and off. 4 plus 2 is 6. I know, not Common Core math, but currently that's still accurate. I still feel like this is an awful lot to take off. 6 inches on each side. Boy, that seems like a lot. Oh man, this thing was so expensive too. It was like 280 bucks. Here goes nothing. Ended up a little shorter than I wanted it to. Not sure how that's possible. These two are just about the exact same height. Interesting. Because one of these PTO shields looks shorter than the other one. I wonder if out of the box one side is shorter than the other. What the f? Oh my God, I can't freaking even turn this thing. Oh. Finally, it all works. After doing all that work, it's nice to see that pay off. I didn't do a real big test. Soon we're going to get to the big stuff. I've got piles and piles of this stuff to chip. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.